Welcome. Today, we're looking at the pulse of money in America. What's going on in the 2025 US money market, and what's coming next? If you want clarity, insight, and real value for your investments this year, watch till the end. You could come away ahead of the curve. Let's start simple. The US money market is where short-term lending and borrowing happens. We're talking about treasury bills, commercial paper, certificates of deposit, the kinds of assets that big banks, businesses, and savvy investors use to park cash safely or raise funds quickly. These markets keep the US and even the global economy running smoothly. This year, 2025, the game has shifted. Interest rates have seen notable volatility, driven by Fed policy and global events. Institutions are favoring money market funds for liquidity and stability, while retail investors are waking up to new, tech-driven money market accounts offering higher yields. Morgan Stanley. AI tools are helping investors spot trends faster than ever. Scanalytics. Treasury bills are popular as safe havens. Short-term corporate papers are seeing demand as companies look for flexible funding. AI is the new secret weapon. Smart algorithms follow market news, crunch numbers, and make split-second buying and selling decisions. Fintech platforms let anyone invest in money market funds from their phones. These advances mean even small investors have tools once reserved for Wall Street. But every upside has a challenge. Rapid rate swings mean investors must be alert. New digital assets blur boundaries between traditional and digital currencies. Regulation is changing, so compliance matters more than ever. AI helps detect fraud and risks, but nothing beats staying informed. So, what's next? Experts predict more automation, smarter AI, and a bigger role for digital currencies in the money market. Expect tighter rules, but also more options for earning without heavy risk. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned pro, staying updated with tech is key. That's the snapshot and the forecast for the US money market in 2025. If this helped you understand what's hot and what's coming next, subscribe for more actionable financial videos. Drop your questions below. See you in the next deep dive.